Imagine a photon that, before entering, has already passed through the other side. These are not legends. They are real. And we are about to enter the shadowy world of quantum together. Imagine a world where a particle can be in two places at the same time. Time sometimes moves backward, and things pass through walls without touching them. This world is called the quantum universe, and it has laws that our minds are not ready to understand. Here, ordinary logic doesn't work, you have to be amazed. Today, we're diving into 10 strange phenomena in quantum physics, each one blowing your mind even more. So, if you're ready, let's go. Number 10. Wave-particle duality. In the big world, objects are either waves or particles. But when you enter the quantum world, it's like the laws of physics are being joked with. Electrons, which we usually think of as tiny balls when they pass through two slits, behave like waves. That means they interfere with themselves. But when you look at them, suddenly, they become particles again. It's as if just because you looked, they decided how to behave. Number 9. The principle of superposition. An electron can be in two places at the same time or exist in several different states simultaneously. Until you measure it, all these states are real. Have you heard of Schrödinger's cat? A hypothetical cat inside a box that is both alive and dead at the same time, until you open the box. That means, until you ask, the world hasn't yet decided what will happen. Number 8. Quantum entanglement. When two particles become entangled, whatever happens to one instantly changes the other, even if they are millions of kilometers apart. This phenomenon is so unbelievable that even Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But experiments have shown that it really happens. In the future, this very phenomenon might become the foundation of the quantum internet. Number 7. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. You can't know both the exact position and the exact speed of a particle at the same time. If you measure its position very precisely, your information about its speed becomes very uncertain. This law shows that the act of measurement itself changes part of reality. In other words, by measuring, you interfere with the quantum world. Number 6. Quantum tunneling. Imagine a sucker bullet trying to pass through a wall. In classical physics, it's impossible. But quantum particles, sometimes they seem to force their way through walls without having enough energy. This phenomenon happens in the sun too. If tunneling didn't exist, the sun couldn't shine. Is your brain tingling or already blown by now? If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Because even stranger things are coming your way. Number 5. The quantum Eno effect. When you constantly observe a quantum system, it seems to get stuck and doesn't change. This means that watching can prevent evolution. Many scientists believe that this phenomenon shows that our consciousness truly affects the universe. Number 4. Negative time or time reversal. In some experiments, particles like photons have shown behavior as if time moves backward for them. That means they show signs of passing through before actually entering a material. Time in quantum mechanics is not linear, it's flexible. Number 3. Quantum foam. Empty space is not really empty. At a very tiny scale, particles constantly appear out of nowhere and disappear again. It's as if the vacuum itself is boiling. This phenomenon is called quantum foam, where space and time themselves are fluctuating. Number 2. Indistinguishable particles. In the quantum world, some particles like electrons are completely identical. If you swap two of them, it makes no difference. Their identity is indistinguishable, and this causes their statistical rules to be unique. Number 1. Microquantum effects. Until recently, we thought these phenomena only happened in the tiny world. But now, in materials like superconductors and Bose-Einstein condensates, quantum behavior has been observed on visible scales. This means quantum might one day enter our everyday technologies. The quantum world is where familiar laws break down. A place where particles exist in multiple places, time flows backward, and space is full of hidden fluctuations. Understanding this world not only blows your mind, but could also change the future of technology, communication, and even our thinking. So if you're looking for things they don't teach you in school but will expand your mind, Subscribe and hit the bell, because our journey is just beginning.